Why is there no update? What? How do I get it? How do I get it, guys? So you have to buy the full wing. Well, whatever. And then I get it, or what? Oh, do I have? I don't know if I have. I have money on Battle.net. I have. Nice. Oh, guys! Forgotten Torch. There he is. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Let's go. We got him. Yeah, fuck that stupid hat. I don't care. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I think you should play one off. Oh, come on. Don't do this, Hearthstone. Don't be laggy. Don't be laggy. Come on. Let me play. Is this Rekt? Now I'm logged out. Is this Rekt, guys? Is this Rekt? Oh, I get scammed, guys. I get fucking scammed. Rip. Oh my god, I get actually scammed. Blizzard, give me my money back.